What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, I got a Kindle and we're gonna open it together. I'm so excited to see it. I don't think I've even seen a Kindle in real life, probably my sister's, but like years ago. So this is so exciting for me because I have always been a physical book girly. I still am, I still probably will be, but there are some times where the Kindle just seems like it would be really convenient, more specifically for travel. Like anytime I go on holiday, I take a book, I finish it in like the first 2 days, and then I've got nothing left.
I've got nothing left.
Like I can't take like 4 books on holiday. So the Kindle is perfect for traveling. Also, I go on a train a lot, and books aren't like too heavy or bulky, but I don't know, the Kindle just seems like it could be really handy for certain times, or reading like in the dark or something like that. So this is the book I'm currently reading. It's called I Know What You've Done. I literally just started it. I'm here on page 85. It's really interesting so far. I am a mystery kind of book girl, so if you have any recommendations, feel free to leave them below, and let's get straight into this. If you have a Kindle or an e-reader, let me know which one you have. I was kind of torn between, I think it's called the Kobo Libra 2 and this, but in the end I just went for this. And ooh, there she is. And I went for the black one. I know a lot of people go for the green, but I thought let me go for black just because it goes with everything and I can always get skin later on. So yeah, it is USB-C, which is really handy. That is the same as my iPad. So we love that. See, now I need a new iPhone so it could all be USB-C. You know what I mean? Oh my god, she's so cute. She's so cute. Stop it. Stop it. So I got the one with ads, so I will be removing them at some point. But for now, let's just have a look. Oh my god, she's so sleek. She's so sleek. OMG. So it's a proper like matte finish. It's gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. I love it. I also got a clear case. So let's open that while she is loading. I just got a clear case. Get that way. Very nice. So English. Okay, so oh my god, it's so cute. United Kingdom, honey. Do I need a screen protector or will it be okay? Like I can feel that the edges are a little bit raised. Oh my god, it's so nice. The screen is so strange. I have an iPad. So that's like the screen I'm obviously used to. I didn't know how big it was gonna be. Okay, okay. No, stop it. I'm so excited. Let's just do it on the Kindle. Fuck it. Forget. Oh, I totally forgot I'd have to like put the password in. This is the Kindle Unlimited. I mean, it has 3 months at £0. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, this is her all set up. Oh my god, I wasn't actually paying attention, I'm not gonna lie. No, it's so cool. I love it. Let me actually see what it looks like. So it's, in comparison to my phone is this big, and then in comparison to an actual book, that is the difference. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can swipe or tap. Oh my god, it's so strange. Oh, so if you scroll down, you've got all your settings, like the brightness, how warm you want it. that's because I have the ads version, but I will probably turn that off. So that was just a quick look at the Kindle. So now let's play around with some stickers and decorate it. So I have a lot of stickers, okay? We have a lot in here, but I picked out some and I'm just gonna see, because this sticker is massive. So I just wanted to see like what it would look like. Or maybe have the typewriting one down here. No, she doesn't fit. That's so cute. Let's try that and see how it works. Dun, dun. I know it's gonna move. Love it. And then I've got a pop socket. But that is it. I'm very excited. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you have any tips or recommend any books. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Just jumping in to say that I managed to get the ads removed, and I bought on Etsy a cover. So now when I lock my Kindle, it looks like that. How cute! I love it. So that is the front with my fake wallpaper, and then that is the back. I moved the stickers a bit. I need to move him over, but yeah, that's the vibe I'm going with right now, and I love it so much. I'm gonna have another video on how to do this. It's very simple, and I bought a book called None of This Is True, which I really want to read, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I just wanted to kind of test it, and even though it feels very weird to me, I'm very excited and I can't wait to actually use it properly.